Who wants to learn beginner headstand? This is how I learned my first headstand. So let me show you. I'm Nora Day. Okay, just a couple little tips in the beginning, and then you go up to a headstand. So my little tips in the beginning are key. So, I like to hold my hands, interlace your fingers, and stick your pinky out. This is my trick. It's my little kickstand. So my pinky is out, I feel that much more stable upside down. So with this happening, you just want to make sure your shoulders are lined up underneath your elbows. So if my elbows are way out, my shoulders are not lined up with my elbows. So bring those elbows in. When I take the crown of my head down, the crown of my head is on the mat and the back of my head is leaning into my hands. So crown of the head down. My head is touching the back of my hands. Pick the knees up. Bring one foot into your bum and release. Pick the other foot up into your bum and release. Hold here, feel again. Elbows are in the mat, head in the mat, back of my head leaning into my hands. Lift that one leg, tilt a tiny bit forward, tilt, 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 press down to go up, lift the other leg. Lower one leg, lower the other leg. Try your other leg first. Heel to bum. So I'm on the opposite leg, lean a little forward, press straight down in those arms. Press down in your elbows, lift the other leg, hold. You don't need to go all the way up, hold. Both feet come down. Take a step back, come onto your knees, sit back in an easy child's pose. Release your hands. To me, that is one of the simplest ways to get up into a headstand. Going all the way up is extra. You're standing on your head because your feet aren't on the ground. So you don't need to rush going into full headstand. This is learning a beginner headstand. I hope you really try it and tell me how you do.